And over now to business news. The bullish run of the Nigeria Exchange Group, or NGX, seems not to be slowing down. At the close of trading on Friday, the stock market records a large gain as investors' wealth expanded by more than 192 billion naira amidst a slowdown in inflation worries, according to data from the National Bureau of Statistics. Specifically noted is the fact that the all-share index increased by 308.17 basis points, a growth of 0.75% to close at 41,438.15 points as investors' fear over inflation dissolves. The equity segment of the Nigerian exchange market capitalization gained a lot of billions, a surge of 0.90%. To close at 21.43 trillion as NGX Group PLC listed 1.96 billion units by introduction. Well, joining me this morning, News Central Now, is the Managing Director, Trust Bank Capital Management Limited, Aziz Lawal. Thank you for joining us on News Central Now, Aziz.
Yeah, good morning. Thank you for having me.
All right, the Nigerian equity market recorded a fifth consecutive weekly gain. What led to this, and what's your projection for this week?
I mean, the bullish momentum we've seen in the equity market is largely driven by revived interest in banking stocks, I mean, particularly led by FBN last week. That's our first bank holding company. For most of the week, FBN rocked the portfolio of investors. In fact, it accounted for over 55% of turnover at the exchange. The stock gained about 29.59% for the week and has done over 57% for the month alone. The rally on the stock was stoked by large executed high prices, large executed trades, and projections of possible board realignments. There's a possibility that investors who come in at the closing price of Friday may still enjoy some notches in price of FBN. Also advise that investors should engage their stockbrokers before taking any position in FBNH. This week, we expect a bit of profit taking, but the market will maintain its bullish momentum as investors begin to position for impressive quarter three financial results. Thank you.
All right. The NGX is listed as shares by introduction. Can the general public acquire them?
A listing of shares generally gives access to the public to trade in those shares and liquidity to existing investors. So, sure, it's a good thing for investors, and they can access the shares of the NGX.
The fixed income market seems to be favored by domestic investors. Is this a good thing? And what are your predictions again for this week?
Yeah, not necessarily. Though yields compressed last week, largely trading activity was stagnant in the bond market. As for treasury bills market, system liquidity and the outcome of the auction shaped trading activities has stopped rates for particularly the 364-day bills share 25 basis points at the auction. This week, we expect rates at the bond auction scheduled for Wednesday.
Thank you so much for joining us, Aziz Lawal. We truly appreciate that.